Welcome to our woodworking journey. In this video, we're excited to take you into the world of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, our channel is a hub for inspiration, tips, and techniques that will help you elevate your skills. From intricate furniture projects to simple DIY crafts, we're here to share our passion and knowledge with you. Join us as we explore the fundamentals of woodworking, delve into various tools and materials, and showcase some of our favorite projects. We'll provide step-by-step tutorials, helpful insights, and expert advice to guide you along the way. So grab your tools, and let's embark on this exciting woodworking adventure together. If you enjoyed the video, we'd love your support to help our channel grow. If you're new here, please consider subscribing for more exciting woodworking content. And if you're already part of our community, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and smash that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your engagement means the world to us and helps us continue creating the content you love. The art of woodworking. Woodworking is a versatile craft that blends artistry with technical skill. Whether creating furniture, cabinetry, or decorative items, understanding the properties of different woods, such as oak, maple, and cherry, can greatly influence your work. Mastering essential techniques like joinery, sanding, and finishing is key. This foundational knowledge allows you to produce high-quality pieces that resonate with customers, showcasing the beauty and functionality of wood. Understanding your market. Identifying and understanding your target market is crucial for success. Conduct market research to determine current trends, popular styles, and customer preferences. Are buyers interested in rustic farmhouse styles, sleek modern designs, or eco-friendly materials? Engaging with potential customers through surveys or social media can provide valuable insights. Tailoring your products to meet these demands can lead to faster sales and greater customer satisfaction. Building a brand. A strong brand identity sets you apart in a competitive market. Start by defining your brand's mission and values. Create a memorable logo that reflects your style and resonates with your target audience. Develop a cohesive visual identity, including color schemes and fonts, to use across all marketing materials. Consistency in your branding fosters recognition and helps build trust with customers, making them more likely to choose your products over competitors. Effective online presence. Establishing a professional online presence is essential in today's marketplace. Create an attractive, user-friendly website that showcases your portfolio, including high-quality images and detailed descriptions of your woodworking projects. Include an online shop if possible, allowing customers to purchase directly. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to share your work, engage with followers, and promote new products. Regularly updating your content keeps your audience engaged and informed. E-commerce opportunities. Expanding your woodworking business into the e-commerce realm can significantly broaden your customer base. Utilize platforms such as Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or your own website to sell products online. Ensure that your product listings are optimized with relevant keywords, enticing descriptions, and clear images. Providing excellent customer service, including timely responses and efficient shipping, can enhance customer satisfaction and encourage repeat purchases. Networking and collaborations. Building a network within the woodworking and broader artisan community can open up new opportunities. Attend trade shows, craft fairs, and local markets to connect with other woodworkers, suppliers, and potential customers. Collaborating with other artisans, such as furniture designers, interior decorators, or craft stores, can help you reach new audiences and enhance your product offerings through joint ventures. Customer engagement. Engaging with your customers fosters loyalty and encourages repeat business. Provide excellent customer service by promptly addressing inquiries and resolving issues. Use social media to interact with your audience, sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses of your work process and inviting feedback. Consider implementing a loyalty program or referral discounts to reward returning customers and incentivize them to spread the word about your business. Diversifying your product line. To capture a wider audience, consider diversifying your woodworking offerings. In addition to larger furniture pieces, create smaller items like cutting boards, coasters, or decorative boxes that appeal to different price points. Seasonal products, such as holiday decorations or themed gifts, can also help boost sales during peak shopping times. This variety can attract customers with varying needs and budgets. Seasonal promotions. Seasonal marketing campaigns can drive sales during key shopping periods. Develop limited-time offers or special collections for holidays like Christmas, Thanksgiving, or Mother's Day. Promote these items through email newsletters, social media posts, and your website. Creating urgency through time-sensitive promotions encourages customers to make quick purchasing decisions. Workshops and classes. Hosting woodworking workshops or classes not only generates additional income but also builds community engagement. Offer sessions tailored to different skill levels, from beginners to advanced woodworkers. Teaching others your craft showcases your expertise and can lead to new customers. Participants may become loyal clients, purchasing your products or returning for more classes. Quality and craftsmanship. Emphasizing quality and craftsmanship in your woodworking is essential for long-term success. Use premium materials and pay attention to detail in every project. Customers are willing to pay more for well-crafted items that promise durability and aesthetic appeal. Highlighting your commitment to quality in your marketing materials can enhance your reputation and attract discerning buyers. Sustainable practices. Incorporating sustainable practices into your woodworking business can attract environmentally conscious consumers. Use reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials to minimize your environmental impact. Highlight your eco-friendly practices in your marketing efforts, emphasizing your commitment to sustainability. This approach can resonate with a growing demographic of consumers who value ethical purchasing decisions. Leveraging customer testimonials. Positive customer testimonials serve as powerful marketing tools. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews on your website and social media profiles. Share these testimonials in your marketing materials to build credibility and trust with potential buyers. Word-of-mouth referrals from happy customers can significantly influence purchasing decisions. Continuous learning. The woodworking industry is continuously evolving with new techniques and trends. Invest in your education through online courses, workshops, or woodworking publications. Staying updated on industry developments can enhance your skills and keep your business competitive. Continuous learning allows you to innovate and adapt to changing consumer demands. Strategic growth. As your woodworking business flourishes, consider strategic growth options. This may involve expanding your team by hiring skilled artisans or administrative staff to manage operations. Invest in new tools and equipment to increase efficiency and expand your product range. Explore wholesale opportunities to sell your products in stores or collaborate with interior designers for larger projects. Setting clear growth goals and regularly evaluating your progress can help you navigate the challenges of scaling your business. Thank you for watching the video. We put a lot of dedication and effort into creating content that inspires and informs. If you enjoyed what you saw, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a like. Your support helps us continue to bring you more woodworking projects and tips, and we truly appreciate every single one of you in our community.